crafty friends, today I'm going to unbox the Archer and Olive Advent Calendar. This is a stationery company that I absolutely love when I'm in need of a brand new notebook. The top of the box has a spoilers card, but I'm not going to show you guys in case you want to be surprised. The box comes neatly packed in all these small little boxes and each date gold foiled on top. Day one is this square green accordion book. It is the soft vegan leather that this company uses, which I really like. And the paper is definitely thick enough that you can watercolor. Plus the little gold foil bird is a nice touch. Day two is 2 rolls of washi tape. There appears to be a winter hat and some mittens, as well as a roll with snow people. I can't get enough washi tape for my journaling and using in my planner, so this is going to be perfect for the winter months. Day 3. Opening this box and seeing styrofoam, I knew that we were going to get something fun and breakable. But I was not expecting ink, which I'm absolutely excited for. So the first color we have is the polar purple, and then we also have the Arctic blue. The colors are vibrant and the camera doesn't pick them up well enough, but I have swatched them to give you all an idea of what the colors look like in person and on paper. Day 4, we have 2 pens. They're kind of nice little small pens that you can use for traveling. And the first one is a brush pen for watercoloring, which will actually go perfect with that first notebook that we got. And the second pen is a calligraphy pen, which will go great with the ink from day 3. It appears the nib is just medium size, but I know it'll work great on their paper since their paper doesn't bleed. Day 5 is this nice little small envelope, which inside has 4 snow globe shaped die cut stickers. There are 2 different patterns. You have the winter cabin and the snowman. Day 6 is playing cards. Let's check out what they look like. I love the feel of them. They feel like good quality. Plus, the gold foil on the ampersand on the back is a nice, lovely touch. The floral pattern looks amazing. I also really like the simple crown pattern for the royal cards. It's a great set. Day 7, we have a tape dispenser, which actually comes with a roll of tape. It's a nice size tape dispenser for your desk, and it has the little feet on the bottom so it grips and you don't have to worry about it sliding around. The tape is a clear and gold striped tape. Day 8 is this metal journal ruler. So it has a bunch of different sizes of boxes that you can use to draw on your planner, and I noticed that each shape has the numbers beside it to indicate how many squares on the dot grid it'll take up. It's also got a box rule at the top and a centimeter rule at the bottom. Day 9 gives us 2 sheets of gold foiled stickers. They are clear, which is great, and they're not festive, so I can use them any time of the year, which I love. For day 10, we have this green mini paper trimmer. I was not expecting that, but it's got a cute and compact size. You can definitely put it in your purse and take it to go if you need. It should come in handy if you're cutting thick cardstock, like those found in their notebooks, if you want to make the pages different sizes for tabbing. Day 11, 2 more sticker sheets, this time with some snow people. I checked, they're also clear as well and nice and thin, perfect for journaling. Day 12, the final box. I think we all know what this might be. A dot grid journal. And this notebook is the smaller B6 size. I actually usually use the A5 size, but this B6 size might actually be the perfect size. The cover is more of a cloth material, so it's not their vegan leather, but it's still pretty good. There's a shiny snowflake on the front. The foil snowflakes inside are a pretty touch, and the notebook comes with the 2 bookmark ribbons so you can mark your place. And like all of their notebooks, you get this pocket in the back. The pocket is the perfect size to put any stickers that you would like to take on the go. And that is it for the 2024 Archer and Olive Advent Calendar. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite item in this Advent Calendar is. If you liked this unboxing and want more, click the like button. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss one of my crafty videos. Thanks for watching and have a crafty day. Bye!